everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just, without a doubt, one of the hardest cars for me to get my hands on, 68, 69 Chargers. Just impossible to find these cars. And this one's slick, man. You can see this car has gorgeous paint. 1969 Dodge Charger. It is an RT tribute. It is not a real RT. It's got all the RT badging and the rear tail stripe, but it is a clone. I believe it was an original 3D3 car that now has a 440 underneath the hood. It is a factory D21 4-speed car, though. Finished in beautiful. I mean, this car has slick, brilliant blue metallic paint, black vinyl top, black vinyl interior, healthy 440 underneath the hood with FiTech electronic fuel injection on it, and just a cool car. Runs and drives excellent. Good, solid, straight North Carolina body. Like I say, just a cool car. You can see it's got the hideaway headlights. They function. Couple little things you can pick at on the car. Slick paint. I mean, this is a gorgeous color on this car. You can see they've replaced both front and rear bumpers. And we missed some bugs on that one. Missed a bug there too. Pretty car. Vinyl top's new. This is a nice car, man. These cars just have great lines. I believe that's your original rear glass. The car's actually factory rear defog, if you've seen it in there. New bumpers. These look original. You can pick at those a little bit. Nice and straight down the sides. I believe they did put new quarters on both sides. I think the rest of the panels are original. Those are brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with brand new 15-inch Magnums. They're 15 by 8s in the rear, 15 by 7s in the front, and I had them put on. They did not like the wheels this guy had on this car, so $1,800 worth of brand new wheels, tires, and caps. Boy, these cars just look good, man. Does have power front disc brakes. Get slick paint, guys. I believe he said this is a 68 440. It's got the FiTech fuel injection, stock intake. It's got TTI ceramic headers on it, electronic ignition. You can see they painted the air cleaner there blue. Mopar Performance valve covers. It's got all the aluminum pulleys and brackets on the front. Be Cool aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Power four-wheel disc brakes on this car. And of course, it's a D21 Pistol Grip 4-speed car. You can see they put a beep board on it. Here's your original fender tag. I think it was originally, T3 bronze. Obviously, this is not an original color. Look how pretty that car is, man. Paint on this car is slick. Pick the A-pillar chrome there a little bit, but pretty nice. It's got new chrome mirrors. Door handles look like they've been replaced. If you're gonna pick something here on this car, I think you pick the interior. A lot of the interior is original. Like I say, you can kind of pick that. Those are the original door pads. I believe you put new carpet in it. It looks like new sill plates. Back seats definitely original. I believe they redid these front seats, but the back's definitely original. Headliner looks original. Car's only got 90,000 miles on it. I've got new floor mats on the way for it, guys. It's a factory tack and gauge car. You can see the clock works. 92,358 on your odometer. I don't think the fuel gauge was working. That's actually a Retrosounds radio. This is your plug-in for your FiTech that runs along here. He's got it next to this, and your the actual FiTech programmer is in the glove box. It just plugs into that little plug-in they've got along there. X-pipe, Flowmaster dual exhaust system with the chrome tips, 8 3/4, 355 sure grip. Factory jack with the spare. Again, that, like you see, it's got the original trunk pan still in it. But like I said, I think they put quarters on both sides of this car. This may be the loudest this road has ever been. My gosh. Car's clean underneath. Like I said, I think the floors are original. Skins are clean. Car hits the road good, shifts out good. Dash pad's in good shape. Dash looks original. Again, that's actually a Retrosounds radio. When you turn the key on in there, you gotta give it 1 second. It primes the fuel system. Nice little cam to it. It's a nice car, man. Great sound. You know, the only thing I didn't see working electrically, like I said, the fuel gauge, we got to check, and these weren't working either, the hood mount turn signals. Tach works. Like I say, all the other gauges are working. The only thing that's not working in there is the fuel gauge. Parking brake working? Parking brake does work, guys. Great sound, man. See the interior lights working. Did you power that up?
Yeah, it's just got a ton of aux.
Oh, you got to find the station. Yeah. Okay. I think the blower motor works. Put it in reverse so you can see the reverse light working on the dash. Yep. No, keep them on, it takes them a second to open their vacuum. There you go, now you can shut them down. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page, guys. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. looks good. Traffic. Lot of traffic. I don't know if he's going to get out of here. Holy mackerel. Have a great day, guys.